Hello guys, Colonel Ninny here. If you're the kind of player that enjoys sitting there playing with himself, by himself, then this one's for you. What I mean to say is that if you enjoy that visceral challenge of being outnumbered and luring your enemy into a trap and still coming out on top, then you're in the right place. Today, because I love a challenge and because I'm not very bright, I'm going hunting by myself. I see 2 enemy aircraft approaching on the map. There are no friendlies around, so that's 2-to-1 odds. Pfft, no problem. So I have the advantage at this point, and I hope they don't mind if I take it. And if these 2 boys know what they're doing, they'll try and lure me into a trap where I'm following one of them and the other comes up behind me. Therefore, I know that they know that I know that they know that I know that, so I still have to pay attention. So the key is for me not to chase anybody, but to try and keep my energy advantage. Remember that every time you turn, you create drag and lose energy. How do I tell when I've lost the energy advantage? It's very simple. When both of them are higher altitude than me, I'm in trouble. But not just yet. And now there's a 3rd aircraft, so it's 3-to-1. He thought I might follow him down, but I'm not falling for it. So the one is low, the other is at the same altitude. Looking good so far. With 3 opponents, I'll only be able to take snapshots. I won't have the luxury of being able to line up behind one of them and take my time to shoot him out of the sky, without suffering the same fate myself. It's really difficult for me to be able to look behind me as I'm looping over and getting a firing solution on this guy. So this is the first time I feel like I'm taking a bit of a chance. But I'm still in control. I've lost a lot of altitude, so I better get back up. Now I can reassess the situation. With one at the same level and the other 2 below me, I'm still in good shape. But in my favor, I have a friendly there as well, which makes that 3-to-2 odds, which has just doubled my chances of survival. Damn, I pull up too abruptly and put it into a high-speed stall, which means I blew my chance to get behind him. And I have no energy. So rule number 1, when in doubt, climb! And damn if I miss my opportunity on this guy because I was looking behind me. Notice my low speed and the fact that the other guy is above me. So I've lost my speed advantage here. The only way to get my speed back is going to be to drop the nose and descend. But with the 2 of them at my altitude, that will give them the energy advantage. My teammate has gone, my energy is low, therefore I must concede that they have the advantage. It's time for me to leave. My only advantage now is the speed of the F4. Which is the only chance I have of making it back to my airfield, which is 70 degrees to my right. I have 12 kilometers to go, which is about a minute and a half. They're still there. My intention is to draw them over the airfield and into my anti-aircraft fire. So I'll need to bring them up off the deck where they're an easier target. And for me this is pretty hazardous because as I pull up and slow down, it allows them to draw closer. For any low-level stuff, I always trim the nose up a little bit so I can look around without crashing into the ground. And it looks like one of them has given up, which improves my odds of survival from 3 to 1 against to 2 to 1 against. Until finally, there's the airfield up ahead. Unfortunately, my aircraft is too badly damaged to allow me to climb up and drag him with me so that he can get hit by the anti-aircraft fire. Now it's just a matter of time. And this one determined pilot is going to fall for my trap and fly right through the anti-aircraft fire at the airfield. And if he gets damaged and decides to fly home, we're back to 1 to 1. So, once again, thanks for watching, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.